Whittle building. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, these were firewalled and modernized again. Mirror. I mean, it's still cool, I guess. Some of the buttons are extra shiny. I like the new cams, kind of. Not really, you can't even really see it. Anyone going down? One?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is a cool elevator.
Yeah, they used to be cooler before they firewalled them.
Thank you. Oh, I totally agree with you.
Yeah, I love historic elevators.
Me
too.
They
kind of ruined these.
They did, but this crap here and the heavy marble floor, because it was called the white caged elevator, which
used to be able to see
used
up
to be see up there.
Yeah.
Thank God they left that open, and then they put this crap on here in a marble floor, which weights it down even more.
You have a good day.
You too. Sorry, thank you.
It's
I'm
cool.
with you.
It's fine. What floor? I'm going down.
Come on, hurry, guys.
I'll see you with that. I will never lose weight again.
Oh, we're going up. Then we'll go down.
There
Oh, it was only 3 floors.
we go. 2. 3. 3.
I have to wash this.
You guys go.
Great, go, Mom.
This one's broken. Oh, that one has a new door. Oh, look at that. It's hella cool.